English, the rainbow poem. Why does the speaker want to play with the raindrops? ठीक है. The speaker is not able to play with anything indoor. बोलो बेटा. The speaker is not able to play with anything indoor because his parents have all his toys. All his toys. Again, the speaker is not able to play with anything.
The speaker is not able to play with anything because his parents locked all his toys.
ठीक है. ठीक है, अभी हम एक और दूसरा लेसन है वो भी देख लेते हैं. और इंग्लिश का कौन सा लेसन है बेटा? जेन एंड द चिम्प्स नहीं है ना? जेन एंड द चिम्प्स है. सी बेटा. So write the meaning and frame the sentence. The first is peak, like mountain peak. It means the highest point. Sentence: the man climbed to the peak of Mount Everest. Okay. Next is tool. Tool means an object to do a task. Can you say?
An object to do a task.
An object to do a task. Can you repeat? An object to do a task. And what was meaning of peak? Highest point.
Highest point.
ठीक है. Tool से you can make a sentence. A carpenter uses tool to build furniture. Furniture का spelling आता है पापा को? Fur, like fur, furry होता है. FUR fur. NIT, then URE. Furniture. Yeah, you can also write a carpenter use tools to build bed. Bed, sofa, right? Sofa का spelling आता है. Bed easy है. या table भी आता है. ठीक है. फर्नीचर का स्पेलिंग क्या है? FURNITURE. FURNITURE. ठीक है. Then fight. Fight means to use physical force or agree or not to agree something. Sometimes there is verbal fight which are also called in English altercation. हम लोग लड़ाई नहीं की, सिर्फ मुंह से बात की. जैसे आयांश बोला, ए मम्मा नो, मेरे को अभी सांभर वड़ा नहीं खाना, मेरे को दही वड़ा खाना है. तो या नहीं आयांश अभी नहीं, दही वड़ा रात को ठंडा करते हैं. नो बेबी, सांभर वड़ा खाएंगे. या तो हम लोग वी आर फाइटिंग बट वी आर नॉट फिजिकली फाइटिंग एंड बीटिंग एंड या. तो दिस इज वर्बल आर्ग्यूमेंट. ओके, दिस इज ऑल्सो आर्ग्यूमेंट, राइट? वर्बल फाइटिंग. तो दिस इज है ना. इसका एक और इंग्लिश में अच्छा वर्ड होता है ऑल्टरकेशन. तो फाइटिंग दो भी हो सकते हैं. एक है फिजिकल फाइटिंग, ये दपड़ दपड़ दपड़. एक है कि हम लोग सिर्फ शब्दों से बात कर रहे हैं, है ना. वी आर जस्ट फाइटिंग विद द वर्ड्स. ठीक है. ठीक है बेटा. इफ देर इज सम टाइम डिफरेंसेस ओपिनियन then it should be verbal fight, max to max. First of all, avoid that also. जल्दी नहीं, बहुत सारा पढ़ना है. हाँ, if I have to fight with my husband, I will do verbal fighting. I will not beat him. Yeah.
But Daddy and Dada do.
चल रिकॉर्ड कर रही हूँ मैं. Fight is to use physical force or not agree to something. बोलो बेटा. Fight is to use physical force. Physical मतलब बॉडी वाला जो force. Fight is to use physical force.
Yes.
Physical force or not agree to something or not agree to something. ठीक है. फाइट का सेंटेंस बना लेना. ठीक है. टॉम फाइट्स विद जेरी, कुछ भी लिख देना. ठीक है.
I fight with
ब्रदर. ठीक है. रिटर्न.
No.
रिटर्न का मतलब क्या है? टू गो बैक. रिटर्न का मतलब
To go back to your home.
Okay, what is diary? What would you write? What is diary?
I have a diary.
अरे सेंटेंस नहीं, इसका मीनिंग क्या है? A book
A book where you keep your
where someone writes their thoughts. What is diary? A book.
But in school we don't write it.
बेटा स्कूल लाइफ में आप कुछ ही साल पढ़ते हो, उसके बाद भी लोग डायरी रखते हैं. उसमें सब इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ रखते हैं. थॉट्स के अलावा कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ें भी लिख सकते हैं. ठीक है. वो तो बेसिकली होता क्या? डायरी इज अ बुक, राइट? डायरी इज नॉट अ.
Why should you write it?
अरे बकवास क्यों कर रहे हैं? मैं लेसन रिकॉर्ड कर रही हूँ ना. मैं पूरा इंग्लिश पढ़ना है ना. कितना बजे है अभी? 11:18 हुआ है. क्या घंटा भर हम यही बकवास करते रहेंगे? लेसन कब कंप्लीट होगा? भैया कोई पढ़ा सकती हूँ मैं, वो जागा हुआ है आदमी. मैं तेरे को पढ़ा रही हूँ ना. चल पढ़. No, you sleep here. Even if I scream. चलो. Diary. अरे I will not scream. Diary is a book where someone writes their thought. बोलो. ये टीचर ने लिखा है ना, ये लिखना है, यू आर सपोज टू राइट. कॉपी भी कंप्लीट नहीं है. डायरी क्या है? इट इज अ बुक ऑफ इट इज अ बुक
It is a book
वेयर समवन राइट
where someone writes
देयर थॉट्स.
data.
Now answer. What did Jane Goodall love to do as a child? As a child,
As a child,
Jane Goodall loved watching animal for arts. As a child, bolo bolo. As a child, Jane Goodall loved watching
loved watching
animal
animals
for hours.
for
मतलब इतना घंटा वो देखती है, उसको बहुत अच्छा लगता था. ठीक है, लव वॉचिंग एनिमल फॉर आर्ट्स. और उसके बाद एज शी वॉन्टेड टू नो
She wanted to know
एवरीथिंग अबाउट देम.
everything about them.
एज शी वॉन्टेड टू नो
As she wanted to know
एवरीथिंग
everything
अबाउट देम.
about them.
एज शी वॉन्टेड टू नो
As she wanted to know
एवरीथिंग
everything
about them. Okay, now again we'll do. As a child,
as a child.
Jane Goodall
Jane Goodall
loved watching
loved watching
animals
animals
to know everything
to know everything
about
about
them.
them.
As a child,
As a child,
Jane Goodall
Jane Goodall
loved watching
loved watching
everything
everything
about
about
animals.
animals.
As
As
she wanted to know
she wanted to know
everything
everything
about them.
about them.
ठीक है. Next is, why do you think the chimp stayed away in the beginning? The chimp stayed away. बोलो बेटा. The chimp stayed away
Away
because
because
John in the beginning. So I'm sorry. The chimp stayed away from the John in the beginning. Question से ही लिखना है बेटा. हाँ. The chimp stayed away from John in the beginning because they were afraid of her. बोलो बेटा. जल्दी बोलो बेटे. Because they were
they were
afraid of her. Animals थोड़ा सा डरते हैं ना बेटा ह्यूमन से. Because they were
because they were
afraid of her.
afraid of her.
They didn't know
They didn't know
if she would
if she would
hurt them.
hurt them.
ठीक है. तो the chimp stayed away from John. The chimp stayed
The chimp stayed away
from John in the beginning.
John.
John नाम है ना बेटा इसका.
No,
Jane है. Sorry, Jane. Teacher wrote. हाँ. From Jane
Jane.
in the beginning
At the beginning,
because they were
because they were
afraid of her.
afraid of her.
ठीक है. They were afraid of her and they didn't know
And they didn't know
if she would
if she would
hurt her.
if she hurt her.
Hurt her. Because they were afraid of her. बोलो.
Because they were
Afraid of her. They didn't know
They didn't know
if she would
if she would
hurt her.
hurt her.
Because they were afraid of her.
हाँ.
अरे हम लोग रिपीट कर रहे हैं. The chimp stayed away from Jane. बोलो. The chimp stayed away from Jane in the beginning
In the beginning,
because
because
they were afraid of her.
they were afraid of her.
They didn't know
They didn't know
if she would
if she would
hurt them.
hurt them.
They didn't know
They didn't know
if
if
she would
she would
hurt them.
hurt them.
They didn't know
They didn't know
if she would
if she would
hurt them.
hurt them.
Next is, Jane's friend were in danger. Who are Jane's friend? The chimps in Africa are Jane's friend. The chimps in Africa
The chimps in Africa
are were Jane's friend.
are James.
The chimps in Africa
The chimps in Africa
were
were
Jane's friend.
James' friends.
Now next question is, why are they in danger? They were in danger. They were in danger
They were in danger
because
because
forests were being
forests are being
cut down.
cut down
All over Africa.
all over Africa.
And chimps
And chimps
and other animal
and other animals
were losing their home.
were losing their home.
Again, okay. they were in danger
They were in danger
because
because
forest was
forest was
cut down.
cut down
Where? In
in Africa.
ओके. तो उनका बेटा तो फॉरेस्ट तो एनिमल का घर है ना बेटा. अगर उनका घर निकाल देंगे तो कैसे रहेंगे बेचारे, कोई भी एनिमल है ना. चिम्स एंड ऑल्सो द अदर एनिमल. हाँ नेक्स्ट देखो देखो बेटा. ठीक है. फिर है ना, एंड चिम्स एंड अदर एनिमल, चिम्स एंड
Sometimes
अदर एनिमल
other
वे
animals
लूजिंग देयर
were losing their
होम्स.
homes.
ठीक है. अगेन विल से दे वेर इन डेंजर
They were in danger
बिकॉज
because
forests were being cut down
forests were being cut down
all over Africa.
all over Africa.
The chimps and other animals
The chimps and other animals
were losing
were losing
their homes.
their homes.
Okay? Did you remember? Will you remember? Okay. ठीक है. They were in danger because
They were in danger because
forests were being cut down
forests were being cut down
all
all
over
over
which place? Or which country? Africa. And chimps and other animal
the children
were losing their
were losing their
homes.
homes.
फिर what did Jane do about it?
Mama,
हाँ बेटा.
I'll clear. I'll hear you. Okay, I'll just rest.
ठीक है. नहीं नहीं उठ के बैठो. यू वर देयर ना. दोपहर में चले गए थे दादी के घर, अभी भी चले गए थे. यू हैव टू सिट टिल द टाइम यू स्टडी. आई विल नॉट लेट यू स्लीप. सिट प्रॉपरली. कम ऑन. सो दैट यू रिमेंबर. या योर मदर इज नॉट योर सर्वेंट. मम्मा अपना नींद छोड़ के पढ़ा रही है ना, तो तुम भी बैठ के पढ़ो. वाई यू वेर देयर सो मच टाइम. चले गए थे दोबारा क्यों गए थे फिर तुम. और गए थे तो खाना खा के आ जाते. इतना देर बैठने की क्या जरूरत है. बैठो भी. नेक्स्ट. What did Jane do about it? Jane traveled
Jane traveled
all over the world
all over the world
and asked people
and asked people
to help
to help
save the chimps
save the chimps
and the forest.
and the forest.
Okay, what did Jane do about it? Jane traveled all over the world. Say beta. Jane traveled all over the world and asked people
and asked people
to save
to save
chimps and forest.
and forest.
Okay, so Jane traveled all over the world. Jane traveled
Jane traveled
all over the world and asked people to save
and asked people to save
chimps
chimps
and the forest.
and the forest.
Okay, next is how are chimps similar to human being? Chimps are very much like human being. बोलो बेटे.
Chimps are very like human beings.
हाँ. They hold hands,
They hold hands,
play,
play,
laugh
laugh
like humans. Like humans.
like humans.
And you know, even chimpanzee, कुछ animals है बेटा, they can use the tools also. Cow can use, chimpanzee, all kind of monkeys can use. Also just a few aquatic animal, intelligent one, dolphin and all that. तो सुन रहा है बेटा. तो ये तो टूल्स भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. जैसे कि अब वो केला उधर पड़ा हुआ, जैसे कि बनाना उधर है और सामने तुम स्टिक रख दो, तो स्टिक यूज़ करके उधर से ऐसे से करके लेके आएगा, खाएगा. या साइंटिस्ट हैव डन एक्सपेरिमेंट. They are important. They are very intelligent animal. Yeah, and anybody who's near to human is monkey. Yeah, we are our great ancestor were monkey. So we are the kids of monkey. Great. Yes. Okay. ठीक है. Chimps तो है. How are chimps similar to human being? I think teacher will ask. Okay. Chimps are very much like human.
Chimps are very like human
Because
because
like this. They hold the hand,
they hold hands,
they play,
they play,
laugh.
laugh,
They hold the hand,
they hold hands,
they play,
they play,
they laugh.
they laugh,
ठीक है बेटा. उसके बाद है they laugh like humans.
they laugh like humans.
फिर they also fight,
They also fight,
become happy,
become happy,
angry,
angry,
and scared.
and scared,
Just like humans.
just like humans.
Chimps are very much like human
Chimps are very like humans
because they do like this. Because they hold
because
hand
they hold hands
और क्या? They play
They play
or
or
and laugh like human. And laugh
laugh
like human.
like human.
Because they hold hand,
Because they hold on,
they play
they play
and laugh
and laugh
like human.
like human.
Because they hold hand,
Because they hold on,
they play
they play
and laugh like
and laugh like
human.
human.
They also fight.
They also fight.
अभी अभी हम ये क्या बोल रहे हैं? अभी इमोशंस और डिफरेंट चीज़ों की बता रहे हैं. लाइक ह्यूमन कैसे दे ऑल्सो फाइट. अभी क्या क्या इमोशंस दिखाते हैं. एंड बिकम
And become happy.
हैप्पी. सैड भी होते हैं बेटा. सैड भी होते हैं. क्या when उनका कोई एनिमल मर जाता है ना बेटा, एनिमल उनकी फैमिली में, वो सैड भी होते हैं. सैड,
Sad,
एंग्री
angry,
एंड scared.
and scared.
Yeah, they were also scared of Jane also, right? They didn't know that she will not harm. Scared just like
Just like
humans.
humans.
Okay? They also fight.
They also fight.
अब हम emotions के नाम लेंगे. And become
And become
happy.
happy.
Also sad.
Also sad,
Angry.
angry,
Scared.
scared.
Yeah, scared. Just like
Just like
human.
human.
Very nice. ये कुछ कुछ आंसर्स करना है हमको करना है. Okay, we completed this lesson also. ठीक है बेटा. बेटा मम्मा आप ही के साइड है बेटा ऑल द टाइम. ठीक है. ओके. एंड ये लेसन, हाँ, आउल एंड मून आ रहा है बेटा. ठीक है. आउल एंड मून आ रहा है लेसन. ये हम कर लेते हैं फटाफट.
After this, what will you do?
नथिंग. इसमें वैसे भी ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है, थोड़ा सा ही है. ठीक है. देन यू कैन स्लीप. ओके. द फर्स्ट इज सी शोर. सी शोर मतलब बीच से. सी शोर मतलब बीच. कैन यू मेक सेंटेंस? या यू विल डू. या द किड्स वेर क्या सी क्या हो गया?
I'm making sentence.
ठीक है. सी शोर का मतलब क्या है?
It.
ओके. नेक्स्ट इज फॉलोइंग. फॉलोइंग का मतलब क्या होता है? व्हाट वुड यू राइट? गोइंग आफ्टर
Oh, after
समवन.
someone.
ठीक है. फॉलोइंग मतलब क्या है? गोइंग आफ्टर
After
समवन.
someone.
क्या लाइक अभी पापा गए थे तो तू भी चले गया. यू आर फॉलोइंग पापा. यू वेंट अवे. यू रैन अवे. या फॉलोइंग मतलब बोलो गोइंग आफ्टर समवन. यू ऑल्सो फॉलोड पापा एंड वेंट अवे, है ना? फॉलोइंग मतलब गोइंग आफ्टर समवन. यू कैन मेक एन इजी सेंटेंस. ये द टॉम स्टार्टेड फॉलोइंग जेरी. या कुछ भी ऐसा है ना बेटा. जहाँ जेरी जाता है टॉम चले जाता है उसको ट्रबल करने के लिए, है ना? नेक्स्ट इज, अच्छा, फॉलोइंग का मतलब क्या है? गोइंग आफ्टर समवन. बोलो बेटा.
Going after
आफ्टर समवन. ठीक है. और नेक्स्ट इज चीयर. चीयर मीन्स टू मेक हैप्पी, टू मेक समवन हैप्पी. या जैसे कि अभी मम्मा ने डांट दिया तो यू लुक लिटिल बिट सैड, राइट? या यू डू लुक सैड, राइट? आई सी यू, राइट? आई एम ट्राइंग टू चेयर यू अप. कोई बात नहीं करना है, राइट? आई एम ट्राइंग टू चेयर यू अप. ठीक है. ठीक है बेटा. बट ऑल्सो डिसिप्लिनिंग इज ऑल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट. अभी चेयर का मतलब क्या है? टू मेक समवन हैप्पी. या चेयर मतलब टू मेक समवन हैप्पी. ठीक है. चेयर का सेंटेंस तो आप बना लोगे, या है ना? द क्राउड गेव अ लाउड चेयर, है ना, टू द क्रिकेटर और व्हेन इंडिया वन द मैच. द है ना, द क्राउड गेव लाउड चेयर when मोदी जी गेव स्पीच. या दे विल से ना मोदी, राइट? यस बेटा. या द क्राउड गेव लाउड चेयर when I got the prize, है ना बेटा? या when I danced on the stage. That is all right. Next thing, हाँ बेटा. Next is बेटा lovely. Lovely means beautiful or attractive. Lovely means
beautiful or attractive.
attractive. Edge क्या होता है? Edge.
Ending of a thing.
हाँ, तो क्या बोलेंगे? Corner of an object
Corner of a object
और area.
or area.
या कभी कभी कोई जैसे बच्चा लोग एज में सोता है, बेड में लगता है गिर जाओगे नीचे, है ना बेटा? एज मतलब क्या होता है? कॉर्नर ऑफ
Corner of
एन ऑब्जेक्ट
an object
और एरिया.
or area.
रिपीट. कॉर्नर ऑफ
Corner of
एन ऑब्जेक्ट
an object
और एरिया.
or area.
कैन यू से अगेन? कॉर्नर ऑफ
Corner of
एन ऑब्जेक्ट
an object
और एरिया.
or area.
अगेन बोलो एज द कॉर्नर ऑफ.
The corner of just something.
एन ऑब्जेक्ट और एन एरिया. ठीक है बेटा. और एन एरिया. जैसे मुझसे कोई बोलेगा कि बगी कहाँ तक जाती है अपने सोसाइटी में, वो बोलूँगी जो आउटर एज है ना वहाँ तक जाती है. एज मतलब है ना बेटा. एज मतलब क्या है? कॉर्नर. है ना बेटा वहाँ तक. तो बोलो एज मतलब क्या है? कॉर्नर ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट और एरिया.
Corner of thing to it.
कॉर्नर थिंग क्या है? कॉर्नर ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट
Corner of object
और एरिया.
area.
ठीक है. वेयर वॉज आउल व्हेन ही फर्स्ट सॉ द मून. आउल वॉज एट द सी शोर. आउल कहाँ था?
So
when he first saw the moon. When he
when he
first saw the moon.
was at the moon,
Owl was at the seashore
all over the seashore.
when he first saw the moon. Straight better, straight. You're sleepy. Come on. You need to learn the discipline. Sit properly. The owl was at the seashore
The owl was at the seashore
when he saw the moon.
when he saw the moon.
Why did owl not want the moon to come home? Owl did not want the moon
And did not want the moon
to come to home
to come to him
because
because
owl thought
I thought
his house was small
his house was small
and he had nothing to give and he has nothing
and he has nothing
to give to moon
to give to moon
to eat.
to eat.
Oh, so that is such a kind thing, na? That is why he didn't call. We'll repeat again. Such a nice answer. Owl did not want moon to come home.
I did not want moon to
Come home with him
with him
because
because
owl thought
I thought
his house
his house
was small
was small,
and he had
no food,
nothing to give to
and he
moon
had nothing to give to moon
to eat.
to eat.
How did owl feel when his bedroom became brighter and why? Owl felt happy
I felt happy
when his bedroom became brighter
when the weather became brighter
with moonlight
with moonlight
because his friend
because his friend,
the moon
the moon,
has come
has come
to make him
to
happy.
make him happy.
Okay beta. Again, owl felt happy
I felt happy
when his bedroom
when his bedroom
became
became
bright
bright
with moonlight
with moonlight
because his friend
because his friend,
the moon
the moon,
has come
has come
to make him.
to make him happy.
Yeah, owl felt happy
I felt happy
when his bedroom
when his bedroom
became
became
bright
bright
with moonlight
with moonlight
because his friend
because his friend,
the moon
the moon,
has come to
has come to
make him happy.
make
Today is also full moon. Have you seen when you went out? Yeah. Okay. Again we'll say owl felt
I felt
happy
happy
when his bedroom
when his bedroom
became bright
became bright
with moonlight
with moonlight
because his friend
because his friend,
the moon
the moon,
has come
has come
to make him happy.
to make him happy.
Why did owl think that moon has stopped following him? The moon was hidden
The moon was hidden
behind the cloud
behind a cloud,
and so
and so
owl thought
owl thought
it stopped
it stopped
following him.
following him.
The moon was hidden
Moon was hidden
behind the cloud.
behind a cloud.
So owl thought
The owl thought
it stopped
it stopped
following him.
following him.
The moon was hidden
The moon was hidden
behind the cloud.
behind a cloud.
So
So
owl thought
I thought
it stopped
it stopped
following him.
following him.
ठीक है, you can sleep. Okay? ठीक है बेटू. Always remember बेटा, your mama loves you बेटा. ठीक है? Will you remember this thing बेटा? Shona, will you remember this thing बच्चे? Always remember that. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe.